So guys, this is gigabyte.com officially website. Okay, you can see here. First come to this website www.gigabyte.com. Then you can see right side the search options. Then you can type your model number, which is B860M AORUS Pro Wi-Fi 7, and then hit enter. Then click to product. Then click to title. Click to support. Then selecting your operating system, Windows 10 and 11, which one. Okay, so I am using Windows 11. So if you are use Windows 10, so installations process same, you can see in this video and you can install easily. Okay, same method. Audio, can see here audio driver. Then click to download. Wait few seconds, start downloading. Then it is done, just single click and double click to exe. You can see here. Then yes, this is extract to your system. Now this is installing. So it is done, and close it. Chipset. So first one, click to download. It will start automatically downloading. Then just single click and double click to exe. After that it is extract to data to your system. Then yes. Close means it is installed. LAN driver, and click to download. Then just single click to driver, and you can see here exe. So double click to exe, then click to yes. Now this is, you can see LAN driver installing. Then close. VGA. Just click to download. It is downloading, wait few minutes. Then guys, graphic card driver downloaded, VGA driver, just double click to exe. Now this is copy and extract. After that install. Then click to yes. Now this is extracting to data. Now this is installing VGA driver. Then it is close means done. Bluetooth driver. Okay, so you can see Wi-Fi and Bluetooth combo, but we have to install separate driver. So it is done. Just single click to open and double click to exe. Then click to yes. Now this is installing. So finally it is installed, and then close. VLAN means Wi-Fi driver. So you can see here, otherwise you can install both, include Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, and if you are facing and require only Wi-Fi, you just install this. And it is done. Just single click and double click to exe. Then click to yes. Now this is extract, and now you can see Wi-Fi driver installing. And close it. You can see here USB driver, and click to download. And it is done. Just single click and double click to open, and then yes. Close.